So I got a great quick little tip for you. So while I'll show you on the other side of my door, while I'm boiling some water, I'm waiting for that, I put some fruits, whatever I want to wash, right? Whatever I'm going to eat that I want to wash, in water with apple cider vinegar. Please make sure that it's raw, unfiltered, organic, with the mother, and unpasteurized. Those are all the things that you want to make sure that your apple cider vinegar has, because those are some of the best benefits, right? So if you look here, organic, raw, unfiltered, with the mother, unpasteurized. So that's a great brand. So what I learned a while ago is that if you put fruits and vegetables in water with apple cider vinegar, there's no exact amount. There's some recommendations online, but it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you have enough. Maybe at least a couple tablespoons for that amount. I'm gonna add more stuff in there, but I just wanted to show you first. So what I learned is that if you leave it there for at least 15 minutes, well, not at least, for about 15 minutes, it's gonna kill off a lot of bacteria, viruses, parasites, and even, you know, the waxes that some fruits have, like apples and all those fruits that have waxes that make them shiny and look better and all that crap. I've learned that it can also kind of get rid of that. So if that's true, then why not? So while you're doing something else, throw the fruits in there with water, with apple cider vinegar, and then just put them on a colander, rinse them off, and then you can store them in your cooler, wherever you store your food, and they're ready to eat whenever you're hungry, whenever you want to snack, whenever you want to nourish your beautiful, amazing body. They're ready to go. So I just wanted to give you that little quick tip for you today. If you want more quick tips like this, let me know. Leave me a comment below. Also forgot to mention about pesticides, because even if you buy organic, which this is all organic, they're still gonna have stuff. They're still gonna be sprayed with stuff, right? It's kind of a lie that there's nothing in them if they're organic, I think. What do you think? But so now I rinsed them, letting them dry, and I could start talking more about what I'm doing nutritionally, but there's so much crap on YouTube now with people fighting over diets and protocols and things, so it's like I don't even know if I want to talk about food anymore, but actually I do. So let me know if you want me to talk more about it. I will. Let me know. Hope that helps.